Chilantaisaurus. Chilantaisaurus, Chilantai lizard, is a genus of large theropod dinosaur, possibly a neovenatorid or basal coelurosaur, from the late Cretaceous Ulansuhai formation of China, Turonian stage, about 92 million years ago. The type species, C. tashuikouensis, was described by Hu in 1964. Chilantaisaurus was a large theropod, estimated as weighing between 2.5 metric tons, 2.8 short tons, and 4 metric tons, 4.4 short tons. In 2010, Brusatte et al. Estimated it to weigh 6,000 kilograms, 13,000 pounds, based on femur length measurements. It is estimated to be around 11 meters, 36 feet, to 13 meters, 43 feet, long. Classification. Hu considered Chilantaisaurus to be a carnosaur related to Allosaurus, though some subsequent studies suggested that it may be a spinosauroid, possibly a primitive member of the Spinosaurid family. Serino, 1998, Shore, 2000, Rauhood, 2001, because it had large claws on the forelimbs thought to be unique to the group. Other studies suggested that it could be a member of an alternate offshoot of neovenatorid theropods, with some similarities to allosauroids, spinosauroids, and coelurosaurians. A 2009 study noted that it was difficult to rule out the possibility that Chilantaisaurus was the same animal as the carnosaur Chachilong, which is from the same geological formation. However, they did note an enormous size difference between the two. Further study by Benson, Carano and Brusatte found that it was not as closely related to Chachilong as first thought, but that it was a carnosaur, of the family Neovenatриdae, closely related to Allosaurus as Hu had initially thought. Phylogenetic analysis published by Porphyry et al. In 2018 recovered Chilantaisaurus as a basal coelurosaurian. Several species have been described based on very poor remains. The species Chilantaisaurus sibiricus, previously informally known as either Allosaurus, Sibiricus or Antrodemus, Sibiricus, is based on a single distal metatarsal from the Turginskaya Svita of the Buryat Autonomous Soviet Socialist Republic, Russia, dating to the early Cretaceous periods, variation to Hotryvian stages. It is poorly described, so its relationships cannot be accurately determined. Shore, 2000, and its placement as a species of Chilantaisaurus is highly questionable. Chilantaisaurus maurituensis was reclassified as Chachilong maurituensis in 2009. Chilantaisaurus zesiangensis, based on bones from the foot, is actually a therizinosaur. The cladogram below follows a 2016 analysis by Sebastian Apsgia, Nathan D. Smith, Ruben Juarez Valieri, and Peter J. Makovicki based on the dataset of Carano et al. 2012.